For the past 3 years, my 3 girls have been sharing a bedroom. I posted the entire makeover process on my social media channels and have received over 20 million views combined. But with so many views comes a lot of unnecessary backlash and comments. But my girls loved it. Now that my oldest daughter is a little bit older and coming into her own, it's now time to give her her own space. So here we are beginning part 1 of her bedroom makeover. For this room, my main goal was storage. I think a lot of us in design make the mistake of trying to just put furniture pieces into a room, and storage is just such an important element that we often overlook. I wanted to give her full reign over the room, especially with the paint colors and the decor pieces. Everything else I kind of have to take care of. So for this first part in her room makeover, we are focusing on paint colors, and her request was green. There's a lot of green in this house, so I was a little skeptical, but like I said, I wanted her to make the decisions. Let me just have her explain it to you.
This is my room right now with covered with holes. I'm going to paint my room olive green. Move my desk over here by my door. Next, I'm going to add my bed over here by the center of the window. Then I'll get a new TV because it's out of battery.
Are you super excited?
Mm-hmm.
Why are you so excited to get your own room?
Because my sister's always talking at night and I'm trying to get some sleep.
When we first started painting the color on the wall that she picked, I was terrified. It looked so crazy. We decided to add all new trim boards and keep those white to kind of balance out the color. And when it was all said and done, this is how it looked. As you just heard, she needs alone time. So in part 2, I will be putting together all the furniture pieces and showing you how I plan to maximize storage in this space.